Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Welcome back. And today I'll be preparing for you oxtail and cowfoot. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. Now today I'm going to combine two Jamaican dishes, oxtail and cowfoot. Now I tend to do this when I don't have enough of the meat, or if I cannot afford a lot of oxtail, then I tend to combine it with cowfoot. And it does pair well because it's the same cow, and my husband loves cowfoot, my son loves cowfoot, and I'm a lover of oxtail. So today I'm going to show you how I do that. In the pot I have about 1.5 pounds of cowfoot and the same amount for oxtail, but I'm combining them both. Now we're going to wash our meat. It is already clean, but I'm going to rinse it, give it a second rinse with some vinegar. I will be crushing my pimento berries, garlic, and chili flakes to add to my meat. I'm now adding a half teaspoon crushed ginger and a teaspoon of jerk. In my bowl I have a teaspoon of sazon, a teaspoon of complete seasoning, and a teaspoon of all-purpose. And the all-purpose is the salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper, a teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of tarragon. Now I'm going to massage all of this in the meat, and then I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar, and this caramelizes when you fry the meat to give it that brown color. A tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and then half a teaspoon of browning. Remember, we add the sugar, so we don't need a lot of browning. I am now separating the oxtail from the cowfoot because I know these meats before, because I cooked them before. I know that the cowfoot took a little longer to cook than the oxtail, so I'm going to prepare it just a few minutes before I put the oxtail in. Now I'm adding half of an onion and some sage leaves to the cowfoot. Now I'm covering the cowfoot with some boiling water and making sure that all the meat is covered with water. While the cowfoot is being cooked, I'm going to start frying off my oxtail, to sear it, to lock in some of the flavors. After searing the oxtail, turn it to low, cover it and let it cook in its own juice. And after 15 to 20 minutes, turn the stove off under the cowfoot and test your cowfoot. At this point, they are both at the same tenderness, so I'm going to combine them now, putting the oxtail on top, and then I'm going to pressure for another 15 minutes. Now I have to be checking the oxtail because I don't want it to break, because I want to have it whole, so I keep checking every 15 minutes. Add another half a cup or more to your meat before you start pressuring again. While that is cooking, I'm going to prepare the other vegetables like the onion, sweet pepper and stuff. Now the juice that was left from the oxtail, I've used it to fry off my onion and sweet pepper and start gravy for the rest of the meat to cook in. At this point, you can add what you want. In my case, I'm going to add beans, but you can add potatoes, spinach, carrots, whatever you want. So I don't normally put my beans before. I put it after because I don't like my beans breaking because it tends to make the meat a bit clammy. I don't want that. I want to see my beans. Now I'm going to cover my meat and turn it low and let it simmer for another 15 to 20 minutes. After that, your meal is done. Now here you have it, guys. Delicious oxtail and cowfoot served with rice and peas, plantain and a salad. If you have never done this before, I hope you try it. Please let me know if you have, because it was enjoyable. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.